Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Frigidaire dryer E64 error code. So guys, this error code means there's a problem with the heater circuit. So usually a faulty heating element or high limit thermostat. So first, disconnect the dryer from the power source before inspecting internal parts. And after that, just simply remove the rear panel of the dryer to locate the heating element assembly and test it with a multimeter. So check the heating element and high limit thermostat for continuity. And if there's no continuity, that part is defective and need replacement. Now look for burn marks, broken coils, or loose wires near the element and just simply install a new heating element or thermostat as needed and reassemble the dryer and plug it back in to test it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.